What's up, everybody? Daniel Burgos from burgoscleaning.com. Today we're going to go over a floor stripping job that we completed a few days ago. And I wanted to record this video just because this floor was so bad that I thought it was awesome while we were recording the videos and also just taking some pictures. I thought it was extremely cool because it was so bad. So check this video out. Let me know what you guys think below and check it out. Alright, so this is the before photo of the floor, both sides, and you're going to be seeing me walk through the floor right now. And what I'm going to do is start recording while my guys are actually cleaning the entire floor. As you can see, this black mark on the right hand side right here, it is pretty bad. You can tell it's a high traffic area. So right here he's using the machine to scrub all the corners where there wasn't as much traffic, but you can still see that black mark there on the right side. So once he starts tackling that, you'll be able to see the difference just as he's stripping the floor. So they already put down all the stripper. Right now he's using a side-by-side machine. This basically, the stripper does about 90% of the work. The side-by-side machine pretty much just scrubs the top layer and makes it softer, so you're able to vacuum up all the water. And look at the black mark that's coming off. Fairly simple. It's coming along really well. As you can see, this floor is pretty horrible. Just black marks everywhere. You can just see from the water how bad this really was. But you can definitely see the difference. Just look behind his boots. So dark. So basically what we did is we scrubbed all the corners, any dark corners around the baseboards where they right through that area where the side-by-side won't get in and able to penetrate the wax with the stripper to take off the wax. So right here he's just kind of just using the same. He's letting the machine do the work. As you can see, he's not putting much pressure on there. And you know, basically the chemical does about 90% of the work. This is just pretty much just getting all the wax loose, so we're able to vacuum it all up. But look at the difference. You can see the before as he comes in with the vacuum. You can see the before right where his boots are, and as he's just scrubbing it all off, it's like just coming right off. Honestly guys, I thought that this floor was gonna look pretty bad. I thought the floor was actually damaged at some point because there's like a big hole on the right hand side here. You can't see it as off camera, but I thought the floor was actually fully damaged when that's how bad it was. The picture, the video doesn't show that much. Doesn't do justice about how bad it looked. You guys were able to check this video out. Like I said, leave a comment below. Check out the final product of what the floor finally looked like. You should be seeing it coming across here. If you guys ever need any questions, you're looking to have your floors refinished, you're looking to have your carpet cleaned, you're looking for any type of cleaning service, definitely reach out to us. www.burgoscleaning.com. That's BURGOS cleaning.com. See you guys next time.